Hello internet world, and welcome to my unboxing and first look at the Sternglas NAOS Automatic watch. I'm really looking forward to this. I love the design on a lot of the Sternglas watches. They very kindly sent me this out so I could take a closer look. So let's take off the outer sleeve, and then we've got this inner presentation box with some details on the side. Here you can see the Sternglas website address if you'd like to check that out. They've got lots of different watches in their range, including quartz models and of course some automatic timepieces as well. So inside we're presented with this user manual. This is going to guide you through using the watch, the movements, changing straps, etc., and also changing the time. And then we've also got a guarantee card. And then we have got the timepiece itself, and wow, that looks very, very nice indeed. Let's remove this from the box and take a closer look. Now it is available with different dial colours and also different coloured watch straps. This one here is a dark chocolate brown. Very, very nice watch strap, very high quality as well. Now this is a 38mm watch. It's got a Miyota 8218 automatic movement inside. Let's give this a wind and get this up and running. It's also available with the white dial we've got here and a black dial. Both look absolutely fantastic. And let's take a closer look at this dial. So of course we've got the really nice contrasting hands on this against the white dial. We've got a date window at 3 o'clock. Very, very nice, clean Bauhaus style design. Looks absolutely fantastic. Let's turn this over. We've got sapphire crystal exhibition caseback as well. So you can see that movement ticking away inside. Very, very nice detailing to it. Again, a fantastic job. It's a screw down caseback as well. You can see the screws around the circumference there. And then whilst we're looking at the back, you can also see these little tiny pins on the spring bars of the watch strap. This allows you to actually change these watch straps out very, very quickly indeed. Nice polished case to this as well. Really loving the look of this. Very, very cool indeed. This was purely an unboxing and first look, but my first impressions are extremely good indeed. I can't wait to bring you my full review. If you want to see the full review, there'll be a link down in the video description, so please do check that out. There's also a link to the Sternglas website. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in another video very soon.